Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Nadesh Creative Cooking. Today, I have a recipe that will make any non-Spanish individual speak Spanish. I don't care where you're from. Once you put this crunchy and flavorful taco in your mouth, you'll start speaking Spanish. You see what I'm talking about? Do you see what I'm talking about? Let me show you how I make my delicious birria tacos. These are the ingredients that I use to make the tacos. They will be listed in the description box below. First, I boil about 6 to 7 chili peppers. Then I clean the meat. I don't care what recipe I'm making, my meat will be washed. Next, I dry the meat to remove the excess water. I have a skillet on medium heat. I brown the meat a little bit because doing so gives the sauce more flavor. I cover it because the oil started to get all over my kitchen. That's all we need, just a little color. I remove it from the skillet and repeat the process for the remaining pieces. Now that the chili peppers have boiled for about 5 minutes, I turn the heat off and cover it to allow them to soften. Next, I put some oil in the same skillet that I use for the meat. I saute the onions for about 3 minutes. Then I add the garlic cloves, green onions, tomatoes, and I let it saute for about 5 minutes. Then I put it in a bowl because it's easier to put it in the blender with the bowl. Then I blend everything, including the chili peppers. Next, I strain the mixture and pour it in the meat. I add carrot, cumin, complete seasoning, thyme, cinnamon, bay leaves, oregano, more onions, more garlic. I also add some black pepper and cloves. I add more water because I want some leftover sauce. Now that the meat is tender, I removed it from the sauce. Then I remove the bones and all the spices from the meat. Next, I chop up the meat. If you guys like the video so far, please subscribe to the channel, like the video so you can see more of my delicious recipes. By the way, what is your favorite cuisine? Let me know in the comment below. Next, I have some oil in a skillet. I dip the tortilla in the sauce and fry it until it gets nice and crispy. Next, I add the meat, onions, and mozzarella cheese. I fold them and we have some delicious and crispy birria tacos. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I also add cilantro in some of them because I love the taste of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, just leave it out. Look at that, guys. The sauce itself is so delicious. Go try it, guys. And remember to be creative in your cooking.